Welcome, everybody, to CBTV as we continue to profile the Visionary Spotlight Award winners for 2024. And joining us right now, we have a winner for Telecom Legal / Regulatory in the Service Provider Technology category. We have Marashlian Donahue's own John Marashlian. Did I say that correctly, John?
You did. You did.
Great. Fantastic. Congratulations on the award.
Thank you very much. Very, very pleased to have been considered and to have received the recognition.
In your own eyes, what do you see as some of the reasons why you guys are uniquely qualified to win this award?
Well, I do this over my left shoulder for a reason. It's because while we are a traditional law firm which specializes in serving the communications industry, and again, the communications industry is far and broad and wide and includes software as a service and UCaaS and satellite and wireless and landline and everything in between, broadband internet. So again, it's a very, broad and deep practice. What makes our law firm a bit unique, I think, from most others is we've established an affiliation with a consulting firm that operates seamlessly between our law firm and the consulting firm. And the consulting firm focuses on compliance management. Again, if you're in the telecom industry, you're subject to a wide variety of regulatory requirements, regulatory fees. Everybody knows about the Universal Service Fund and the things that are administered by USAC, the Universal Service Administrative Company. But there are a ton of other regulatory filings, tax compliance issues, indirect tax, communications taxes, 911 fees at the state and local level on a nationwide basis, practically. Things at the CRTC up in Canada. Again, there are, if you're in this industry and you provide a regulated communication service, chances are you have not just your day-to-day business needs, but you have compliance requirements, things that other businesses may not have to contend with. And again, the unique thing between our firm and perhaps others is the relationship of the two firms. It really is a compliance firm that fulfills the ethical obligations of a lawyer. Again, our consulting firm, if we don't do a good job for our clients in maintaining their compliance, it's going to reflect poorly on our law firm. We recognize this from day one, and we've been, very, I won't even say lucky, because we work extremely hard to ensure that our clients at both firms have good and positive things to say about how we go about serving their needs. So again, it's really that unique relationship between a somewhat traditional law firm, although I will say that we are very forward-looking. We are very proactive when it comes to alternative billing arrangements. We are very transparent when it comes to our fees and fee structures. And we try to be as an accessible firm. I hate to use the word affordable because that then kind of gives rise to this perception of cheap. We are not cheap. We are within reach. Very good law firm for big corporations, but we're not out of reach from even the smallest mom and pop startups. And again, that's another area where affiliation with the consulting arm really benefits us, because we can help our clients for the fixed fees and the subscription-based fees that the consulting firm primarily works off of, to manage the primary responsibilities that they have as a regulated company, keep them off the radar, keep them out of trouble. And when those bigger issues arise, when the more complex and nuanced issues arise, there is an easy transition between the law firm and consulting firm. So again, it's a unique model that we have, and I think it's very nice to have that recognition of the success that we've had in the marketplace.
Very good. Now, it's all interesting stuff, Jonathan. If people want more information, where can they go?
Obviously, two firms. We've got two websites. Our law firm is www.com Law Group. Again, that's COMM with two M's for communications. And our consulting firm is the Compliance Group, COMMPLIANC Group .com. So again, you can go to our websites. We have a ton of resources on both sites, especially the law firm site. We give away a lot of insights and advisories and resources. We have a ton of compliance guides that are accessible and again, affordable. So we like to provide, the industry, the companies that we work with and represent, and even the ones that we don't. We want to educate them about the requirements. And then we want to help them uh, tailor a compliance profile that meets their needs within a whole assortment of considerations, financial considerations, risk tolerance considerations. Again, how close a company might be to exiting. So lots and lots of factors play into just how do we structure and then manage your compliance profile.
All right, very good. Jonathan, thank you so much for the time and congratulations on the award.
Thank you very much, Brady. Appreciate it.